Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we're gonna be talking about some more do's and don'ts. So this is part 2.
Perfect.
So let's start out from the don't. So the don't is, this is a lifesaver. If you have an oil fire, meaning you spilled oil or something and then a fire started, please do yourself a favor. Do not use water to put that out. Do not use water at all to cut that out. It's either you allow it, let it go on its own, or you use sand or any of those asbestos blankets or anything like that if you have it around. But do not use water, because all it does, it just makes it worse. It just makes it go. Trust me, I did this I think about 3 times. I'm not proud of it, but it happened to me 3 times. Number 2, use a damp cloth underneath your cutting board. This is to help it so that it's stable and it's not gonna be moving around as you're cutting. 3, please do me a favor and do this so that you don't get sick or food poisoning. Wash your fruits and vegetables, whether or not you planted them in your garden or you bought them. Most usually when you buy them, there are certain pesticides that they pour on them. So once you get them, please wash them. This is to help so that you don't get sick. 4, this is about the meat. Thawing your meat. If you are using frozen meat, take it from the freezer and put it into the refrigerator. That way it will prevent bacterial growth, which survives and thrives between temperatures of 5 degrees Celsius and 65 degrees Celsius. So if you're putting it into the top part, it's gonna thaw without growing any bacteria or being prone to any type of bacteria. 5, this is about hygiene when you're cooking. Guys, if you have long nails, use gloves if you're ever gonna be handling food, which I'll say just use gloves in general if you have long nails, because mind you, when you go to the toilet or something and you have long nails, there might be things stuck underneath your nails. I'm not saying this to be disgusting, but this is just something so that you don't end up making your loved one sick or even yourself sick. So just make sure if you're gonna handle food and you have long nails, even though you've washed your hands, I would say invest in gloves. That would be great for you. Wash your hands. You know, when you come from the toilet, you wash your hands. When you get to the kitchen, wash your hands again, because mind you, when you're leaving the toilet, you're still holding onto the door handle. So wash your hands again and then start working on food, because you don't want to make your people sick. You don't want to make your loved ones sick or anyone. I hope those are helpful for you, and if you like this type of videos, guys, please give them a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below if you like this type of videos as well, and also share with your friends and family, and let us help have a good kitchen experience. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, bye bye.